Welcome to this tutorial on Get-HotFix, a powerful PowerShell command for managing Windows updates and patches. This is part of our PowerShell System Administration series. In this video, you'll learn how to list installed patches and updates on your Windows systems, both locally and remotely. Let's dive in and explore this essential system administration tool. Get-HotFix is a PowerShell cmdlet that retrieves installed Windows updates, security patches, and hotfixes on local or remote computers. Think of it as your window into what updates have been applied to a Windows system. This cmdlet is incredibly useful for system administrators who need to audit patch levels, verify that critical security updates are installed, or troubleshoot issues related to specific updates. It queries the Windows update history and presents the information in a structured format that you can easily filter and manipulate. The basic syntax of Get-HotFix is incredibly simple. You just type Get-HotFix and press Enter. This command lists all installed updates on the local machine where you're running PowerShell. When you execute this command, you'll see a table showing the source of the update, the description, the hotfix ID, which is typically a KB number, and the date it was installed. This is your starting point for exploring Windows updates on any system. Get-HotFix supports several useful parameters that extend its functionality. The ComputerName parameter allows you to query remote computers instead of just the local machine. The ID parameter lets you filter by a specific KB number, which is helpful when you're looking for a particular update. The description parameter filters updates based on their description text, useful for finding specific types of updates. And the credential parameter allows you to specify alternate credentials when querying remote systems that require different permissions. These parameters make Get-HotFix flexible enough to handle various administrative scenarios. When you need to check if a specific update is installed, use the ID parameter. For example, Get-HotFix-ID KB50-12345 will search for that specific KB number. This is particularly useful when you're verifying that a critical security patch has been deployed across your environment, or when troubleshooting an issue that's related to a specific update. The command will return the update details if it's installed, or nothing if it's not found on the system. One of the most powerful features of Get-HotFix is the ability to query remote computers. To check updates on a single remote computer, use Get-HotFix-ComputerName and provide the computer name in quotes, like Server 01. You can also query multiple computers at once by providing a comma-separated list of computer names. This is extremely valuable for system administrators managing multiple servers, allowing you to audit patch levels across your entire infrastructure without having to log into each machine individually. You can combine Get-HotFix with other PowerShell cmdlets to filter and sort the results. To sort updates by installation date, pipe the output to sort -object and specify the installed on property. This helps you see which updates are newest or oldest. You can also filter for specific types of updates using where -object. For example, to see only security updates, filter where the description property contains the word security. These techniques allow you to analyze update data in meaningful ways and extract exactly the information you need. By default, Get-HotFix displays several properties, but you can customize the output to show only what you need. Pipe the results to select -object and specify which properties to display, such as ID, description, and installed on. This creates cleaner, more focused output that's easier to read and analyze. It's particularly useful when you're generating reports or exporting data to other formats. By selecting only the relevant properties, you make your PowerShell scripts more efficient and your output more professional.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.